That thing nice. Man, that thing is nice. Better take it around the block. Ooh, that thing nice. Take a look at that. Shit. Yeah, I seen them out on the front. Yep. All right. Woo, what's up, FCG family? This is Calvin today. Guys, I got some more content for you. I got some more amazing cars to show you. So I stopped by my good friends at Collectible Motor Cars of Atlanta. You guys see I post a lot of their cars on the pages. If you haven't seen some of their cars on my page, please go by and check them out. So I just pulled up in the inside, and guys, I want you to check out. They got a Nova inside. As you've seen, that sweet Camaro. They got an IROC Z new that they have with 5,000 miles on it. So what I'm gonna do is show you what they got in stores. Check it out, guys. Thing sound nasty. Real quick, you got to tell me 2 things you love about this car already. You I know you just test drove it. Tuning it?
Yeah.
What you like about it already?
All's ass. That's gotta be it. All's ass, looks mean, I like the green.
Yes.
Yeah, cool little car.
Nice.
Pop the hood and check it out if you want. All it is those 2 hood vents.
Alright. Alright, MCG family, we're about to pop the hood on it. Hold tight.
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm.
What's the procedure, everyone? What's the procedure?
Stay calm!
Wait.
Everybody just calm down!
Oh my God. Twin turbo. Twin turbo, what size engine?
I believe it's a 5.3. 5.3.
Ooh. Well, now I gotta go YouTube live on this. Underneath. What size? 295, 35, 18s in the back.